Welcome to another week of having a non-stop fun here in Inca. Proudly brought to you by Afia TV, showing live on DSTV channel 254 and GoTV channel 17. It's a pretty cold evening here in Coast City. The weather is very chilling. We love it. Every other person here in Coast City love it because we always love it when it's cool and calm. Once again, welcome to Inca, where art meets amazing conversation, fun time. Today we're going to be having a good time here on the show. So wherever you are right now, you better stay put because you are going to be having yourself undiluted fun, premium fun right here on your screen. What's up with your weekend? How was it? How did it go? I hope you had yourself a swell weekend. For us here, we had a fantabulous weekend. And also coupled with the fact that on Sunday, we did something extraordinary. I'm not going to be talking about it right now. It's going to be after this short break. I would let you into what went down here on Sunday from 6 p.m. up until 9 p.m. If you missed out, I'm so sorry for you, but there is still something for you. You know, we'll have a way of making you to meet up with all the things that you miss. I'm going to be throwing more insights on that when I go on a short break and come back. My name is Rochelle, and once again, you are welcome to Inca here on Afia TV. We're going to be right back. Stay tuned. Welcome back. You are still watching Inca here on Afia TV, and my name still remains Rochelle. Now, let me recall what happened here on Friday. Am I correct? Yes, on Friday. So on Friday, which was on Thursday, pardon me. On Thursday, I had the head of content Afia TV, Tochkunwiwu, here on Inca, and he spoke extensively about Afia Cinema, what is to come, what you as a viewer should expect on Sunday. And ladies and gentlemen, on Sunday, it went down here. It was something great, something magical. So on Sunday by 6 p.m., we saw one, a documentary, and the other two is a series. Yes, Afia Cinema kicked off on Afia TV. It started from 6 p.m. up until 9 p.m. and it's going to be like this till heaven knows when. Now, two things are involved. Either you catch up with all the films here on Afia TV from 6 to 9 p.m. every Sunday, or you go to Afia Cinema and catch up with everything that we have for you. Now, let's talk about what happened on Sunday. So on Sunday, we kicked off with showing you a documentary exclusively produced by Afia TV called Osafia. Now, there were so many things that I learned, from seeing that documentary. And it also made me to know that truly, that statement that it's impossible to meet an Igbo man in a market who doesn't have everything you have. It made me to agree like 100% that is truth. I don't know if you've ever experienced it, but I have experienced it because I've been to markets and then you go to a particular shop, maybe that shop they just sell clothing, and then you say, I need something totally different. And before you know what's happening, the Igbo man is like, don't worry, I have it. We have a warehouse. I'm going to go and get it. So what's Osafia documentary all about? Osafia documentary, it's all about explaining what Osafia is, who Onye Osafia is, and how lucrative Osafia is. There were so many shocking discoveries. One is that Osafia is not only limited to Igbos. In Hausa, in Yoruba, in English, we also have what is called Osafia, but it comes with different names. And the most shocking part for me was the part that in some cases, this in the Osafia, they tend to make more money than shop owners. Okay, this much I'm going to be talking about Osafia documentary. If you want to know about the history of Osafia, everything as regards to Osafia, something that is widely practiced in Igbo, amongst the Igbos, all you need to do is go to Afia Cinema. It's a YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube, open your search bar, just type Afia Cinema, and you are going to say, believe me, you are going to love every bit of it. And not only the documentary, we also saw Mbo. But it was just the episode one that we watched. And one thing I was able to get from that Mbo series is that one, it's not all about working hard. It's about working smart. Because I saw what's played out between Jide and Chuka. We'll still get to know more, how it started, how it ended, whether Chuka later, found the help that he was looking for. Because at some point they had to meet someone to ask the person, please teach me, how can I be making money? Because it's very crazy that I would go to market after jumping up and down, after shouting, come and buy market, come and do this one. At the end, I would go with 300 naira. I don't want to say much. So go catch up with episode one of Umbo, still on Afia Cinema. By next Sunday, we are going to be seeing the episode two and more to come. Whatever it is you are doing, just tell someone that needs someone that every Sunday by 6 p.m. up until 9 p.m. there is what we call Afia Cinema. We show different categories of movie. We have the feature film, we have the exclusive documentaries that will be coming your way, we have action film, what have you. We also have homemade movies, all for your viewing pleasure. So make sure you keep a date with us here every Sunday by 6 to 9 p.m. Now, that's just it for Afia Cinema. Now, let's get down to what we've got for you tonight. Yeah! So today on Afia TV, on Inka Rada, brought to you by Afia TV, I'm going to be having myself a professional DJ. This person, his name, like, it's a household name. It's impossible for you to tell me that you don't know this person, unless I just give back to you right now. Now, the person I am going to be having tonight on Inka is the one and only DJ J-Masta. But before we get him on board and start having a conversation, let's go on another quick break. Nka is going to be right back. Stay tuned. All right, so you are still watching Inka. It's not time for us to meet our guest. We have a virtual guest whom I already made mention of. His name is the one and only DJ J-Masta, and he's going to be joining us virtually all the way from London, England. Good evening, DJ J-Masta. Hello, DJ J-Masta, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I can hear you. Good evening. Good evening, everybody watching this live video.
Oh, okay. Is it evening over there?
Yeah, same time with you guys.
Okay, I see. So why are you covering your eyes? Don't tell me you're shy.
I've never been a shy guy.
Okay,
Hence
yeah.
my
I
eyes.
think I prefer this way. Yeah, I prefer this way. So what's up with you? How was work? How has your day been? Did you hear me? DJ Master? Hello? Okay. I don't know what happened over there, but let's wait and see if he's going to reconnect with us, because we definitely have a whole lot to catch up with tonight. Hello, DJ Master. All right, let's go on a short break while we wait for DJ J-Masta to reconnect with us. This is still Nka here on Afia TV, and my name is Rochelle. DJ J-Masta is back with us. Hi, DJ J-Masta.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. And you?
I'm okay. I just hope that nothing happens to the connection again. So we have this conversation. We do not even have enough time on our own side. So you are an official and a professional DJ, also an artist and an A&R. How do you balance, doing all those things?
How do I balance doing all these things?
Yeah, how do you balance your time between DJing, producing music, and your role as an A&R?
Um, I mean, everything that you just mentioned right now is centered into music. You know, sometimes as a DJ, you know, I give the DJ time when I'm going for events. When I'm playing in the clubs, when I'm playing in concerts. Then after playing my gigs, if I'm home, is music. So I have a lot of artists that always come around because of the knowledge of music they feel that I have. You know, whenever they come around, I give them my own insight towards their music. And I also direct music too because I know sounds. You know, before I turned a DJ, I've been an MC. Like I used to rap. A lot of people who know me as a rapper. Before the DJing brought the fame.
Do you
Yeah,
mind me
so I mean,
asking? Okay, so do you mind me asking what happened? Why did you shift? Why that shift from an MC to a DJ? What prompted it?
I swear, till now I can't even say. Till now I can't say. But what made me to switch into from being an MC to DJing is this happened back then when I was in school. I
Mm-hmm.
think we had ASU strike.
Oh,
Yeah.
which?
So then we're
Mm-hmm.
just at home, mom and dad would leave the house, go to work, and the day-to-day activity is just to be at home doing nothing, you know. So as a young boy, I felt like, okay, what is it? What is this thing that I can go into now that stay has that is still around music, not just being just an artist. So I figured out DJing because I have a lot of love for music. I have a deep love for music. So that was how I picked interest in going into DJing. Shout out to DJ Stacy, the person that taught me how to DJ.
Oh,
You know,
wow. Ecstasy taught you how to DJ.
yeah,
Interesting.
yeah, yeah, he did.
All right. Before we speak more about your career path, can we get an overview of who exactly DJ J-Masta is? Talking about your state of origin, where you grew up, the schools attended, and what life was like growing up, and lastly, your family.
Who is DJ J? Okay, DJ J-Masta is um in one word, the J-Master is a never say never guy. I don't believe in impossibility. So I'm a go getter. I always try to fight my way up. Um, I'm a hustler. Let me just sum it up. The J-Master is a hustler. I hustle through music, through my creativity. You know, my life growing up has never been easy. I grew up in Enugu. You know, I grew up in Enugu, and if you know very, very well, Coal City is one of the music hub as far as Nigerian music industry is concerned. We've produced a whole lot of dope artists. Talking about the likes of Mr. Raw, Flavor, even Two Face, Slow Dog. A whole lot of artists have emerged from Enugu. So um, growing up in Enugu, really shaped me to who I am today because Enugu is like when you talk about the eastern part of the country, Enugu is like, where the music thing they happen. Do you understand? So it has never been easy, but I thank God that we are here.
Okay, that's a beautiful story, and thank you very much for sharing it with us. I could remember the track you did with Flavor and Fino, and yeah, Kaitebala, and I don't want to call the other names, yeah. Then also you have Lighter, you have A Boy with Fino, and the most recent one, Awawa with Quincy. You've really done
Yeah.
good, great for yourself. So let me ask,
Thank
are
you
you
so
still the
much.
official DJ for Fino?
Yeah, Fino is my brother. Fino, I'm still official DJ to Fino. You see Fino, you see me.
Oh wow. See Fino, see you. Okay. All right. So how do you try, to stay creative and adapt to trends in the industry? Because it wasn't how things were when you guys started that it is right now. How do you try to remain relevant with all the trends that keep popping up and every advancement that comes into the industry?
I didn't hear what you say.
Okay, I said, how do you try? Like, how do you remain creative and also adapt to trends in the industry? Because when you started, how things were when you started and how they are currently, they are obviously not the same. So, how do you remain creative and relevant in the industry?
One thing about life is change. Change is constant. You understand? So me, I've tried as much as possible to figure out when it comes to music. I try as much as possible to figure out my own sound, which is the piano, type of sound, which is the happening sound right now. And if you check from my catalog, all the type of song I used to drop, I've been releasing is street music. You understand? Because I rep the street, and with street never goes out of trend. Anything you give the street will definitely bang. And any song with street take, forget them. You don't blow with that. So with street can never lose trend. So any song I'm releasing, I always try to make it to have this street vibe. If you check my song, I had a song with Skills and Kuka. The name of that song is Magic. It's a love song. The song really tried, did what it could do as of that time. But I had to switch. I had to switch because I realized that street music goes, goes way, 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 way farther than love music.
Okay, so you are Fino's official DJ, and you've also worked with some other big dogs in the industry. You've hosted several events. You've done a whole lot in the industry. Now, with all things that has happened and how long you've also been in the Nigerian entertainment scene, can you single out, a particular memorable experience, either as a DJ or an artist or an A&R that has shaped your career? Is there any particular one you can remember right now?
I mean, Fino first,
Okay.
playing in front of more than 60,000 people, or should I say 50,000 people, back to back to back. It's a very great experience. It made me, as I did like this, I don't feel fear crowd again. I don't know the kind of crowd I'm going to see, or maybe the kind of crowd I'm going to play in front of.
Hmm.
Yeah, and when you talk about Fino Fest, I think till date it's still the biggest concert Nigerian music has ever seen in Nigeria, in Nigeria soil. So playing in that concert for like 3 years back to back to back, really pushed me, and it shaped my mind towards what I'm doing.
So we need to give it up to Fino for making that happen.
Yeah, shout out to Fino, Mr. Pac-Man.
Okay. All right. DJ J-Masta, every now and then we see people come up, and tell you, oh, I'm a DJ. Both the ones that understand the nitty gritty of the job and the ones that do not, and the ones that are just doing it, just to put food on their table. If you are to say that these are the qualities that a professional and good this jockey should have, what would those qualities be?
As a professional, like you're asking
As
what,
a professional
if
and a
you're to be a
good disc
professional, if
jockey.
you're to be a, yeah, as a good DJ and a professional DJ, right?
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Number one, you should have the courage to do your thing. Never allow people to come walk up to you to tell you what to do. Because this is creativity. You must have the courage to do yourself. You know, you must have the courage to, because DJs, we make records to blow. You have that power to make any kind of music to
I
blow.
have
So I
something
said,
I'm going to ask about this, but go ahead.
yeah, we have the power to make any type of records to blow. So as a good
Okay.
DJ, you must have that courage. you know, in odd ways to do your thing. That is one. Then two, you must be creative. Try to improve yourself. You know, try to advance. Try to watch. You know, watch other big DJs do their thing. You know, try to get motivations from a lot of DJs, you know, doing big things. Like me now, I have people that inspire me. Someone like DJ Maforisa of South Africa. You know, he makes music, you know, he's also a good DJ. You know, that's one guy I always look up to when I always admire what he's doing in the African music space, you know. Then another thing is you have to believe in God. You know, you have to stay true to yourself, believe in God at the end of the day.
Something you said that struck me. You said that DJs they have the power to make a record to blow, and I
Yeah.
think it was early this year or sometime ending of last year. There's this very popular DJ. I'm not going to mention his name. You know, he came out on series of tweets. He was saying something about how the now artists, especially the Nigerian artists, you know, they tend to neglect the importance of DJs because now we now have streaming platforms, we have social media, and you know they think that they don't even need these DJs to blow because they can do all those things on their own. So do you think that DJs like they still have that kind of power like they had, you know, 10 or 15 or 20 years ago when you just had them, you know, you had the DJs to play your song during parties, at clubs, during events. Unlike now that we have social media, we have the streaming platform. Do you think like you people still have that stronghold as long as you know making a song to blow is concerned?
With the knowledge I have in music, I will tell you something.
Okay.
Now, the type of music most of the Nigerian music artists drop now doesn't last. It's all cruise. It's all TikTok. You know, before you know, 2 to 3 months, you can't even play those. There's even a DJ. Sometimes you find it hard to play those songs, or even when you try to play those songs. You understand me?
Mm-hmm.
You know, the you won't get the reception you used to get from the song like 2 3 months ago when the song just dropped. You know, the music, most of the recent, you know, the upcoming artists are doing now, you know, to me I call them cruise music. But
Cruise
trust me, as
music.
a DJ, someone that understands music, if DJs ever make your song to blow, if your song ever blow through club, through pop, heavy guard, like maybe like when you see when you go out in where has a lot of gathering
Mm.
people, like a bar or some stuffs like that, or maybe in events. Trust me, that song will have a longer stay than music that just come and just do buru, 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 and just go. Do you understand? So
It's
me, I
buru,
believe
buru,
that
buru.
DJs, yeah, I believe that DJs will still have the power of what it takes. If I mean, what do you call blow? If you make a song and your song is popping on TikTok,
Mm-hmm.
DJs are the ones to amplify it. Because if we decide not to play those songs in the club, because I know I have my courage, I'm doing my thing. Nobody can come to me and tell me, "Oh, do this, do that." I play the records. I play the records that I feel like people out there want to listen to. I play it because I know that, you know, it has the essentials. It has what it takes to move you. If I'm in a club, or maybe if I'm in a private party, or if I'm in a wedding. Do you understand me? So
Okay.
it goes. This question that you just asked me now is very very is very very. I don't even know the right word to use. It's very very sensitive. Trust me.
Okay.
But you know, yeah, the artists still have to do better. I'm not trying to discredit Nigerian music artists. They are doing amazing things, but I'm just trying to let you know that when it comes to denying DJs the power, the power that they have in amplifying music, making music to blow,
Mm-hmm.
is a no. They will have the power to make records to blow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. I love this clarification. So the DJs, they still have the power as they had it, you know, in the olden days. The power is still
Yeah,
there.
we understand. Trust me, there are some songs that you might never think that is going to blow, and DJs are the ones that make those songs blow.
Okay.
I
All right.
can use a song like Waiting We Game of what is it, Victor Eddy.
Yeah.
Shout out to Victor Eddy. When that song blew up, I heard that song first in a club, and that's not a TikTok song. Do you understand
Okay.
me?
All right. Okay.
Yeah, so there are so many other amazing music like that blew up through DJs.
All right. All right. Thank you very
Yeah.
much, DJ J-Masta, for that clarification. We're going to go on a short break. We still have our games and also a big surprise coming through here on Inca. Please do not go anywhere. We're going to be right back. Yes, of course, this is still the very first episode of Inca for the third week in the month of July. I know some of you do not know that we're already in the third week in the month of July. Don't worry, I'm here to keep count and keep you updated, as the day comes and go. And tonight, I am joined by the one and only professional Jockey, DJ J-Masta. He also doubles as an artist and an A&R. Hi, DJ J-Masta.
Yeah, I'm still here with
Okay,
you.
glad to know that you're still there. So, here on Inca, we usually have a big surprise. Emphasis on big surprise for our guest, whoever you are. We have a surprise for you. I hope you love surprises.
It depends.
It
Depends on the
depends.
surprise, the kind of surprise.
Okay.
Sweet and good surprise.
Oh, sweet and good surprise. That's
Yeah,
exactly
not the
what
one
we're
that
going
will
to be
take me
giving
off
you
my
this
feet,
night.
please.
Sweet, yummy, delicious surprise. Okay, so let's see, what the surprise for DJ J Master is all about.
What surprise to me is all about.
Just be looking at the screen. Just be where you are right now. You're going to be seeing some things. Okay.
Hey.
Oh.
That G son now they do this one. Oh.
The what?
That G son now do this one. Where did you guys
19.
get all these pictures?
What if it's not him? Don't accuse him wrongly.
Uh
Genge. What's happening
at all,
here?
social.
Wow.
That wow.
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 Like, how many years ago? How many decades ago?
This was in 2010.
Wow.
This
2010.
picture.
That's
Yeah.
a long time ago. Okay.
Yeah. This 2022.
Oh, not so far.
This one not too far.
Mm-hmm. You're not screaming in this one. You like this one? Don't worry. We're going to get to the part where you would have to scream again.
Well, I don't finish me. Oh, no. This one gets me. This one gets me.
No. We can't finish. It's not possible. We can't even try that. Okay. I like this picture.
Oh,
Oh.
this 2013.
Wow.
Mm. 2010.
2010 again. Okay. Is that what
This Solid
Solid
FM.
FM? Okay.
I can't remember the year, but this long time ago.
Oh, see
Oh,
this one.
2010. This with Uche Jumbo, 2013.
Okay. Wow, you've been in this game for a very long time. How long have you been active, as a DJ in the entertainment industry? How long?
I learned how to DJ in 2010.
See
Started
this
my
picture.
career.
Wow.
Yeah, that's my boss right there. That's my boss. The ecstasy.
Ecstasy. Okay.
Flavor.
Yeah,
Way
man.
back, 2013. Nemeka. Ah, ah. This is when I was here.
The-
This is the period when I see they learned how to DJ. I was
okay.
making a whole lot of noise in my house, and my mom thought I'm going crazy,
Great.
like him
Oh.
son don't mad.
So how does she feel now about you and your craft?
I mean, my people, they are proud. They're proud of me.
Mm-hmm.
Trust me.
That's good. That's good.
This is with Fino 2013.
Okay.
Yeah, this is when Ghost Mode just immediately, a few months after Ghost Mode, when
Mm-hmm.
Ghost Mode dropped.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Okay. Mm.
Ah, this is my friend, Zugi.
Man, like
Now, Jason work
they
with
have a
this. You
catalog.
guys can tell me where do you guys get all these pictures? Where do you guys get all these pictures?
We
This is
have
my
a lot.
university days.
Oh, we have a
Ah,
lot.
ah.
Uh-uh.
No,
Please.
I know where you guys got these pictures from, and I need to go and block. I need to go and delete all these pictures.
No, don't worry, we'll have it. You can't hide the secret.
Facebook is really really working here.
We have it. Ah, this one. What's happening here? You're forming. What were you forming here? Fine, big boy.
Ah,
Okay.
but also, there's one picture. Which this 20. Which is this again? 2009, 2012.
Okay.
Ah, Slow Dog, Two Can Talk. Oh wait, 2000. This should be 2011. Ah, no, this one I'm my artist. I still on artist mode. I never even turned DJ when I took this picture.
Okay, you see an artist there.
This one still an artist.
Okay.
Ah,
Hey. When DJ J-Masta was still a boy.
well, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about this. Let me tell you something about this picture. Right, this is
Okay.
one of my. This is in fact. This is one of my favorite picture.
Why?
This picture you're seeing now. Yes. Look at the background in this picture.
Mm-hmm.
This is pure trenches. What you see there like this now na firewood.
Mm.
And inside this picture, I have one thing with me that is priceless. You can see that I had an earphone in my ear. I mean earpiece in my ear.
Mm-hmm.
Look closely, you're going to see it. So I still have the music, even when I'm down. When I was down, I still had music in me.
Okay.
See, this is one of my favorite picture.
Okay. All right. Now we've come to the end of our big surprise for you. I hope you loved every bit of it, even though you accused us wrongly.
Trust me, trust me. You guys really got me on this.
Thank you very much, DJ J Master, for joining us on the show tonight. You know, not minding all the
Thank you.
honors. Thank you.
It's a pleasure, and I have to give you guys a very big shout out. I've been longing. I've been seeing the work you guys have been doing, and it's just that I've not been in the last time I was in Enugu was in December for my event, and it
Yeah.
was just a quick one, and I left.
Okay.
You know, since that time I've not been in the country. So definitely this December I'm going to come to your people's
All
studio,
right, no
you know, to
problem.
have a live program with you guys. I want to say a very big shout out because you guys are really, really, really doing an amazing job. You guys should keep it up.
Thank you very much, DJ J Master. And we
Yeah.
look forward to seeing you in December. Do enjoy the rest of
Yeah,
your day.
and I have something. I have something. I don't know if it is going to be cool to say it live on air. I
Okay.
think we should do something. I think I have an idea of something that we can do
All right.
for the streets. The
Okay.
J Master and Nka, please,
Okay.
Afia TV. I think we need to do something in
All right.
Enugu this
No problem.
December.
No problem. We're going to take
Trust
them
me.
from here. Yeah. We'll have,
Uh,
a detailed conversation about that. Thank you very much once again for joining us on Uka. Enjoy
it's
the
my
rest of your
pleasure.
day.
It's a pleasure. Thank you guys so
Yeah.
much. Shout out to everyone watching this great interview. I love you guys so
We
much.
love you
Believe,
too.
keep. It's all good. Take care
Yeah.
of yourself. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. And with that, we've come to the end of tonight's edition of Inca, the very first one for this week. Tomorrow is going to be another day for us to bring you another great personality here in Inka. Until then, make sure you have yourself a sound night's rest and always support us by joining us in every of our programmings here on Afia TV. My name is Rochelle Ezapata. Once again, good night.